Hello everyone, this is my unbiased review of religion in schools. My name is Lisa Martinez. So we are going to be discussing an important and often controversial topic, which is religion in schools. And as we all know, religion is an integral part of society and has a significant impact on many individuals' lives. It's essential that schools understand how to navigate this issue in an effective and respectful manner. So the purpose of this presentation is to provide an overview of the key issues related to religion in schools and to offer practical advice for promoting religious freedom and inclusiveness. According to the Pew Research Center report of 2019 on religious expression in schools, 88% of public school teachers believe that students should be allowed to express their religious belief in school. It's important to start by understanding the legal framework for religious expression in schools, which is defined by the First Amendment to the U.S. Constitution. The U.S. Department of Education, 2020, provides guidance on constitutional rights of students to express religious beliefs in public schools. Students have the right to engage in individual or group prayer, religious discussion, and activities during non-instructional time. Students also have the right to express religious beliefs in homework assignments and class projects. Schools may not endorse or promote any particular religion or single out religious expression for discrimination or suppression. Schools may not require participation in religious activity or expression, nor prohibit student expression of beliefs because it is religious. The guidelines provided by the Department of Education of 2020 are not exhaustive and are intended to provide a general understanding of the legal framework for religious expression in schools. It is also important to keep in mind that these rights must be balanced with the rights of others and cannot interfere with the educational environment. It is the responsibility of schools to provide a safe and inclusive environment for all students, regardless of their religious beliefs. Religious holidays and celebrations play an important role in many students' lives and should be recognized and accommodated by schools. This can include recognizing the holiday on a school calendar, offering alternative schedules for students who observe the holiday, or even celebrating the holiday in a secular manner. However, it is important to ensure that any celebrations or recognition of religious holidays are inclusive and respectful of all students, regardless of their religious beliefs. Education about religion is an important aspect of a well-rounded education. Schools are allowed to teach about religion as part of their curriculum, but it is important to do so in a neutral and non-sectarian manner. This means avoiding promoting any particular religious belief and instead focusing on educating students about the diversity of religious beliefs and practices. By teaching about religion in this manner, schools can promote understanding and respect for all religious beliefs. It is essential to balance the right to religious expression with the respect for the rights of others. This means ensuring that religious expression does not infringe on others' rights, such as by promoting or endorsing particular religious beliefs or causing disruption to the educational environment. Schools should strive to create a safe and inclusive environment for all students, regardless of their religious beliefs. So, what are the best practices for promoting religious freedom and inclusiveness in schools? It starts with having clear policies and guidelines in place to ensure that all students' rights are protected. Schools should also provide training and resources for teachers and staff to help them navigate this issue effectively. Encouraging open and respectful dialogue about religion in schools can also help promote understanding and respect for all religious beliefs. The Board of Education plays a crucial role in promoting religious freedom and inclusiveness in schools by establishing policies and procedures that ensure the rights of all students and staff are to be respected and protected. By providing clear policies and guidelines, training and resources for teachers and staff, and promoting open and respectful dialogue, schools can create a safe and inclusive environment where students and staff feel valued and respected regardless of their religious beliefs. Thank you. Have a great evening.